Around noon, several hundreds of snow geese return to the same spot around the flight deck to roost at night. We spotted at least 5 blue morphs today. A blue morph, though similar in size as a white morph, is characterized by a blue-gray body with a white head. The dark color of the blue morph is controlled by a single gene, with dark being dominant over white. Hanging out with snow geese or a few rosses. Rosses goose is a smaller subspecies of snow goose and is also white with black wing tips but has a shorter neck and a stubbier pink bill with a gray base, and often they hang out with other geese. Enjoy rest of the video and thanks for watching.